The next day it was time to do the things that I procrastinated the day before, which is clean up and put away all of the supplies that I purchased the day before. A lot of things usually get rearranged after bumpy trips like that. Okay, this place is looking much better now. On this day I practically experienced all 4 seasons. It was raining, there was hail, snow, sunshine and heat. Another day in Colorado, and this one is going to be a little bit more sunny. It never seems to get any less surreal, like thinking about that you could live temporarily next to landscapes like these and then move on to something else that's possibly spectacular, or maybe just a Walmart. Or still spectacular, but just a bit less of that specularity, if that's even a word. I've been living out of this van for like coming up on like 2 years, I think. Well, like a year and a half, year and maybe 7 months. It's still always fascinating to me, like the idea of living in a van. It's like the days that you like park in the city and just, you know, sleep in it, cook in it, and it's like there's people. Oh, there's a road in here. There's people that are just passing by, just a normal, well, I guess you could tell it's kind of converted to a camper, but it's like a vehicle, and you have your own little space in there. It's like your little cabin on wheels that you can move. Yeah, it's always odd, like if I'm on the outside looking into the van, I'm like, wow, it's a little home that you could take anywhere, hike anywhere you please. If an area is too noisy, you could move if you please, of course, or you could stay. And throughout the winter I've been moving a little bit less because it's tougher to find camp spots on like BLM land and the likes. Everything is snowed in. But now, since it's getting warmer, it's time for moving, doing a bit more hiking. I swear I have no clue why this place is so dead. Like there's a few campers inland, but like there's no one in here on this edge, and there's like so many camp spots. Or I don't know if there's, see something white over there? I don't know if that's a vehicle. Like the last time I was here a few weeks ago, nobody. I'm not sure if that's a vehicle or a rock. There might be one person there, but still there's like so many camp spots in here and they're not really getting utilized. It's Saturday today as well. This place is beautiful and free. I don't know if you could see it, but a few weeks ago when I was in Denver, a rock shot up from another car's, from under another car's tire and chipped my windshield. Yeah, you could see it. I purchased, let's see, purchased this kit. So this is the kit I purchased to fix that chip in the windshield. There are, I won't really give like a step-by-step procedure. There are plenty of videos of people using this on YouTube, and it apparently works. Makes the cracks much less visible, or barely visible, if anything at all. So let's give it a try. Okay, this is supposed to be done in a shaded area, but I don't feel like moving. So we'll just use this as a shade. So this crack didn't penetrate all the way onto the inside, which is good. Okay, that's on. Wait, what? Oh my goodness. I pressed on it, on the windshield, too hard in this area, and I just noticed this crack. Wow. This crack was not here. Neither this crack. Oh man. Wow. That's fucked. I don't know if it's from me sitting on the hood, it put some pressure, or was it from me pressing onto this? Oh, dude. That's like what? That's like $300-400. Oh. It's like everything I touch. That's devastating. Damn, man, that's like another cost, like $300-400. Yesterday I broke the drone, crashed the drone twice, messed up all the propellers. And now this. I'll just proceed with the fix anyway, fuck it. Let's see what it does. And here we have the after the fix. You could kind of see the previous one a little bit. And then obviously these two guys. I think this actually happened when I pressed on the adhesive. Watch this. If I press it, it just keeps... I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'll be replacing it. It was like I just gently press it and it... Oh well. Okay, it's time to make some shish kebabs. Got some peppers. Got some chicken. I'm not sure if this is still good. This is April 8th and today is April 15th. So it's 7 days past the expiration. So I have to see if that is actually still fine. Okay, so let's see, chicken, mushrooms, peppers, and onions. I think that's gonna be good enough. Okay, let's see if this passes the smell test. I don't know, might be slightly off. It looks fine, so I'll just use it. I'll actually add some potatoes as well. It's gonna take a little bit longer to cook, but in the aluminum foil is gonna cook nicely. Okay, it's coming together slowly. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still plenty more to go. Alright, that's everything. This is the last one. It's missing a bunch of stuff. Okay, 1, 2, 14, 15, 16. I said 15, and there's 15 legit ones though, and then 1 is kind of all the leftovers. Okay, now it's seasoning time. I got garlic powder, black pepper, salt, marjoram, paprika, onion powder, and I think that's about it. Okay, we have both sides seasoned. Okay, we are ready. I think I'll wait a few hours because it's still pretty bright outside and I'm not super hungry. The cutting board is well seasoned. I think you're mostly supposed to season it with oil, but to get spices it is. I mean, there's a little bit of oil. I think these boys are almost ready. Yeah, the potato seems pretty good. They weren't on super long, but they were like in a direct flame. So I suppose it might be cooked pretty well inside. I'll give it a few more minutes just in case, because these are big chunks, bigger than the last time I did shish kebabs. I think this is good.